Hello everyone, I have some news. ArtStation Marketplace blocked me because I live in Russia. Now, Russian people can't withdraw their funds from platform because relocation for selling tools now is mandatory. Here, a person should provide proof of identity, proof of address, and residency permit. And address, of course. And your address should match with recipient account. So I can't sell my tools anymore on ArtStation. If you still want to buy something from me, you can do it on my Boosty page here. The entire plugin pack for ArtStation Marketplace is available now for 1000 rubles. It's around $10 according to current course. Actually, I don't plan to continue plugin development anymore. Why? Because I fixed everything what I can. So I will continue Blender Next development for Unreal instead. It's available for free, of course, on my GitHub page, and you can do a lot of stuff now that has never been possible before. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.